Hello, my name is Gustav Karlberg and I'm a product designer.
Hi, my name is Lisa Darland and I am a freelance textile and product designer.
I have my company called Karlberg Design and I design furniture, mostly furniture and products for the home.
I'm a textile and product designer, designing different textile products for the industry and towards different companies.
My name is Elvira.
And my name is Ivar, and together we work as Lans Varghans.
My name is Anna Gudmundsdottir and I'm an industrial designer, and I founded a design studio called Malmo Upcycling Service.
We both do graphic design for different projects around Sweden mostly, and we do illustration and we do hand-printed fabrics.
We work mostly with, or primarily with, waste from industry to create new products and interiors.
It's a very small community, design community, so it's kind of like a big family in a way.
Because I started in 2020, it was just before the pandemic. I don't really have any comparison to how it was before.
It's easy to get around, easy to kind of find manufacturers and good places to like make prototypes, and everything is kind of convenient, I think.
It's been a couple of struggles, but I think every business that's starting out has a couple of struggles in the beginning, just finding out like what's how you're gonna do stuff, and like how is your path, and what do you actually have to offer the industry.
Working in Malmo is a very good town when it comes to opportunities like KKV Textil, which has a lot of equipment, and there's like a lot of knowledge there that's been very useful to us.
Because of the geographics, you can like get in touch with the north of Sweden also, but you also have the connection to Denmark and in the rest of Europe.
Then also just it being a very creative town, there's a lot of people to collaborate with, and also places like Form Design Center.
Well, I think it's not being in Stockholm, because it's the capital and that's where a lot of stuff happens, and that's a much bigger network than down here. But I would rather be here because here I have the community that I might not have in Stockholm, and I think it's much more competitive there than it is here.
I think it's also the size, maybe, because that's also the good thing, but sometimes it feels a little bit like a small town. I mean, there's a lot of companies here to work with and a lot of opportunities, but there's quite a lot of competition also, and so if you're in a bigger city, maybe it's more small companies that you can work with, and it's easier to get some small jobs. And
here we can focus more on international collaborations. We're closer to Denmark, we're closer to Europe, so we can. We've actually had more collaborations with companies in Denmark the last year than we've had in the rest of Sweden. So I think that's some of the benefits. Difficulties.
like in the beginning, it was hard. I got like money from the government, and but then it feels like many companies also just felt like they needed to start like doing stuff also to be like ready when it all like starts again.
The year passed, like everything just got pushed forward, and I felt like it was gloomy at times, but I mean, like we got through it, and now we're on the other end, or soon we are on the other end, and you can really see people trying to figure out other ways to like still have social connections, but without being officially connected to each other.
Some months has been like some of the best months I had also. So it's been both up and down, but generally just quite okay, actually.
My business is still going to be, well, it has Malmo in the name, so it has to be in Malmo, I think. So we're going to stay here and hopefully build it up to become more of an institution, knowledge sharing and driving the industry forward towards sustainable development. I wish we can expand and have more designers join us and have more companies come to us to seek our expertise and know that we are really good at what we're doing, and also help other designers to work towards circular production and circular design, and really be a driving factor. That's my hope and goal for the years to come.
I'm not sure. Right now I'm actually applying for a job also, for a in-house job. So we'll see if I get that. Otherwise, I think I want to start producing my own products, maybe starting more like a brand and having control of the whole process and the whole manufacturing and selling it myself. I think that would be maybe the next step.
A lot. I mean, our Instagram is our main line of communication to international collaborators, and it's been our key to being invited to exhibitions and collaborations and sales revenues. It's been absolutely essential.
People can see that we make all the things by hand and we make it ourselves and we make it here in Malmo, and I think everything that contributes to the product is unique in some way.
Yeah.
And it's very easy to take a good picture of the fabric so you can see the pattern and stuff like that. So it's yeah.
You will find me at Form Design Center with the Going Pro group exhibiting there. I will show my graduation project from my school. It's a project called Finding Utopia. So I will exhibit it there.
We are at Davids Hall at Jerker Form's showroom, doing our collaboration with Jerker Form called Trä och Tyg. And we're also at KKV Textil. So we have two exhibitions at the same time.
I am in my studio and I show my product through the window there, window shop experience. And I also show a video where you see my products.
I'm going to be trying to look around and see all the live exhibitions that I possibly can from a safe distance, and hopefully be able to meet my fellow designers here. And as for Malmo Upcycling Service, if you want to find us, you can check out our Instagram to see where we're at.